What to do when you're in an accident. As a personal injury attorney, our job would be to handle your insurance claim if you were in an accident and you weren't at fault. If your car is damaged and you need to get it repaired, you are injured, your back, your neck, your broken arm, you have a rotator cuff injury, whatever, to get those medical bills paid. And yes, for pain and suffering. Louisiana awards pain and suffering. You know, you hear TV, oh, I have mental anguish, I have this. Yes, all these are real. And all of them have to be quantifiable, but the object of an insurance claim is to make you whole, not to make you profit. So when you're in an accident, and due to no fault of your own, and there's insurance coverage out there, that insurance coverage is supposed to make you whole. Now, we can't make you better, we can't make the injury disappear, so the only language we know how to speak in corporate world is money. So, how much money are your damages worth? You have property damage, that's easy to figure out. What does the estimate say? Well, that's how much it costs to fix. That's how much it costs to bring your car back to the condition it was in before, to make your car whole, not to make it better. You have doctor bills, those are easy to quantify. Again, they're on the sheet of paper. You were treated this many times, this is the money owed, that's what's owed. And lastly, you had inconvenience and aggravation to your life. You had to make doctor's appointments due to no fault of your own for an injury that was due to no fault of your own. And you get compensated for that. Now, in order to get compensated for that, you're making a claim with an insurance company. That insurance company who has shareholders and is probably has responsibilities to its shareholders to make money. The insurance company is not there to be your friend or a wonderful neighbor or to put you in their good hands. They're there to make money. When you make your claim and you say, I'd like to go to this doctor, and the insurance company says, I don't think so. We don't think this injury is related to that accident. Guess what? They're going to try and make money. They don't want to pay that full medical bill. They don't want to pay you anything. But what they are going to do is pay you what you can quantify, what you can show them. So it's crucial that if you're in an accident, to document as much as possible. Take pictures of the scene. Keep a journal or a log of the days you wake up and you might be in pain. Any day you may have missed work, any day you may have missed something because you were in pain as a result of an injury from that accident. We overlook things. I've handled thousands probably of Hurricane Katrina claims for homeowners. And I've talked to countless adjusters who tell me, Colin, I would have given your client more money had they been able to show me receipts or proof of purchases or paperwork to document their losses. And it's so often we forget about the little things. We forget about the something that broke that was, oh, no big deal, I'll just go ahead and fix that myself. Or, oh yeah, I did miss that day of work, but it was no big deal. You might work on a commission. How do you know what would have happened that day? I'm not trying to fluff or increase the claim any fraudulently at all, but I'm just saying, when you document these things as it happens, it's much easier and you probably get a better settlement in the end. Now, if you get into an accident and you think, I'm fine, I'll take some Advil, I'll be okay. A month goes by. Still hurts, but that's okay. I have to work. If I don't work, nobody's gonna feed my children. Maybe I should call an attorney. You wait 2 months after the accident to call an attorney or to go to a doctor, you might have waited too long. Because now you have the burden of proof on you to prove that the injuries you're feeling 2 months later are a result of the accident that you didn't even report. That's a steep hill to climb. We're not in a world where people believe you by default. Take as many pictures as possible. Document as much as possible. If you go to the emergency room, fine. Keep a journal. Get treatment. Call your insurance company. Call the other person's insurance company. Make the claim. In the end, if you're in a horrific, some type of accident, and you're hurt, you're probably going to need a lawyer. In my opinion, you're going to be dealing with people whose job it is to minimize the amount of money they give you, to minimize the amount of treatment you will get, to minimize the amount of damage you suffered. It's their job. My job is to handle your headache. So you are by all means welcome, and everyone is, to make their own claims and handle your own claims, but when it gets to the point of frustration and you have questions, hire me, hire a lawyer. I'll talk to the insurance company. You have a question for them, you ask me, I'll go there. I'm the middleman. I handle all the headaches. I'll deal with the medical bills. I'll deal with the fact that if you have insurance and your health insurance is covering part of your medicals, they may be entitled to some of that money back as well. So that's more correspondence you might be getting in the mail that you're gonna be confused about, that we handle every day. There's a lot more to a personal injury claim than what you think and see on TV.